What is wealth to you? For some, it's investing, trading, entrepreneurship. For others, it's about their health, their family, their relationships, or building a lasting legacy. But wealth is so much more than that. A worldwide technological disruption is happening. Building wealth is no longer what we perceive it to be. In the midst of a digital revolution, we owe it to ourselves to leverage,
reverse aging process and avoid life-threatening disease through juicing food and nutrition.
to evolve,
I'm going to share the defensive investment strategy.
Angel investor around Asia to own at least 10 property in your lifetime.
to adapt,
Low risk, high return strategy.
Have you ever wondered how to invest your hard-earned saving without any single hustle?
to ensure a future encompassed by your wealth. So why limit yourself when it comes to investing? Expand your mind. Discover a new purpose. So ask yourself, what is wealth to you?